Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video for you. So if you want to know what's in this bag, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, if you watched one of my latest videos, I actually unboxed the Le Grand Bambino bag by Jacquemus, and I actually said in the video already that I was gonna send it back because it just didn't have the color that I liked. I actually wanted a more like warmer shade of beige, and it was a very yellowy tinty beige, so I decided to send it back and wait for another color in this bag. But then I actually saw this bag that I'm about to reveal, and it was the Le Chiquito long. And I really liked it, so let's unbox it together. Alright you guys, so I actually showed you what was in my Bambino bag box that I received from Jacquemus. So this bag I also purchased from Jacquemus, and it came with the same packaging. So it just came with this envelope that says Jacquemus, and then you open it up. And this has the tag of the bag because I've actually already worn this bag. So this is the Le Chiquito long. I'm not going to show you the color yet. If you follow me on Instagram, I will leave my Instagram down below. You will always see the items a little earlier than I show them on YouTube. So just if you're curious, next time, follow me on there. And this won't be a surprise. Or don't follow me and let me surprise you. But yeah, anyway, and then it just came with this illustration card, and then it came with this Merci Jacquemus. And then there is obviously my receipt. So oh, and that was what just flew down, was the sending back like stick-on. So I placed this order on August 14th, and yeah, it came a couple days later. I paid with credit card, and yeah, it's Le Chiquito long, and it's manufactured in Spain. And then they also gave me some stickers and things like that. I don't know like what to do with these. Some people put them on their laptops, but I'm not that kind of person, so I don't know what to do with that. But anyway, so the thing that we're all here for is my new baby, and it came in this dust bag, just this plain Jacquemus dust bag with a drawstring. And I'm gonna reveal to you Le Chiquito long in this beautiful green color. This is my little baby, and I love it so much. I think it's so adorable. I really love it, and yeah, I just can't wait to use it more. I feel like this is really a fun color for me because I usually don't really go for colors. I like neutral bags, but I feel like I have established my bag collection insofar that I can now go out and try different colors. So I got this one. It's in a beautiful nubuck leather. And let me tell you something about it because I wasn't expecting. So I'm not wearing this anymore until I received my spray. I actually ordered a spray, and then I ordered this little nubuck brush off of Amazon because this is really delicate. I already managed to get a stain on here. You can clearly see it without me zooming in. Right here it is, so kind of annoyed with it, but also my fault. So anyway, so this is to really roughen up the surface again, because the problem with this kind of leather is if it gets wet, it gets like really flat, and this is this is good to rub it. And I actually ordered on Amazon a spray that is specifically for nubuck and suede bags. So I'm gonna link it down below, and maybe I also link the brush if you're interested. I don't know if that's interesting to you, but I can definitely do that. And I wanted to read to you really quickly what it says on the website, because they actually advise you to spray this bag. So it says, each leather is unique and has been carefully selected by our team. Irregularities and variations in shades are natural. To maintain the original condition of these items, we recommend to avoid direct and overexposure to light and contact with cosmetics, water and heat. To clean nubuck, we recommend to use a special special eraser, which is this one, this one on the side, to waterproof it with caution and to store it in the dust bag in a dry place. So I will definitely spray some water repellent on it, and like I said, I specifically bought one that is good for the material of this bag, so I want to be really careful with it. So this is definitely not a bag that I'm gonna take when it rains, but I feel like it's so beautiful. I like it with this pink that I'm wearing. I just like it. I like it because I wear a lot of beiges and I feel like it goes awesome with beiges. I will actually insert some pictures of the outfits that I wore with it already because I really like it. So yeah, you can see. So just the bag really quickly. So it is 22 centimeters long and 15 centimeters high, and it is deep at the bottom, but you cannot fit that much in there. So you cannot fit that much as I could fit in the Bambino, but I still made it work because I liked it so much. Then it also has 2 magnet closures. I still have the stickers on there. So 2 magnets, and then obviously it has the beautiful Jacquemus plating, and then on the inside we have the shoulder strap, and on the inside it's pretty plain, so you just have this back pocket right here that you cannot fit anything into, and the magnet is really strong, so I like that. And then you just have these little hooks on the side that you can attach the chain to, and then the chain is fully adjustable. And right now I actually have it in the shortest setting because I just like that look right now, like under the boob kind of look. I will get up and show you like how to wear it. So obviously you can wear it 3 different ways. So you can wear it across the body like so, and then it sits like that, if you can see. So I really like that. And then obviously you can wear it on your hip. So this is what it looks like on me. And then you could also, of course, wear it like this, which is super cute. All right, and this wouldn't be an unboxing / review if I didn't show you what would fit inside. So I'm gonna share with you really quickly. I brought some items that I am usually taking, so let's see what fits in there. Obviously I needed to downsize my wallet, so I actually use my Louis Vuitton little key as a wallet, so I just throw some cards and some cash in there that I need, and this fits beautifully. Also, I'm gonna take this out really quickly. Also, I wanted to fit my phone, so this is the iPhone 12, the normal one, not the big one, 12 Pro, I think. And then I have my 6-ring key holder by Louis Vuitton that houses all of my keys. And then I usually take my AirPods, but I don't know where they are right now, so I'm gonna take something that is a similar size. So let's take this one. It's a marker, but it's almost the same size as my AirPods, so I'm gonna put that on the side there. And then you can, obviously you would need a mask and a lippy, so you can put that in here as well. And let's see, and then maybe another lipstick. So you can all put the long stuff behind each other. So that's the card holder, that's my phone, and that's the key holder, and then the other stuff all to the other side. Let's see if that closes, and that closes, no problem. And that's probably all you can fit, but I like it. I love it. I think it's super cute. Tell me what you think about the Jacquemus bags, because I actually put a poll on my Instagram and asked you guys if I should keep that one, and a lot of you guys said yes, but 20% actually said no, it's ugly. So what do you think about the Jacquemus bag? Let's see if the mini pochette would fit in here. Yeah, you can fit the mini pochette, but nothing else really. So yeah, the mini pochette is kind of full. You could, if you wanted to protect the inside, I guess, fit the mini pochette if you want to. I guess the main thing about this bag is that you kind of have to place the items strategically, but otherwise it's quite roomy. It does not have a pocket on the back side. I just remembered to tell you guys that. And like on the Bambino, I really adore the stitching and the just like the detailing, it's just so beautiful. I know it's gonna be delicate, but I think once I get some marks on it, it won't be as bad. And I just love the shiny gold hardware against this beautiful, beautiful green color. So this is actually called the green color. I can now show you the receipt because on the receipt it doesn't say my address, I guess. So let me come closer really quickly. So I've paid 515 euros and it's in the color green. Like I said, it's made in Spain and it's the Chiquito long. And let me show you really quickly the bag up close. So this is my stain that I put on there. Okay. It's not that bad. It's just like, it looks really bad with the lighting and things like that. But yeah, I gotta be really careful with this one. But like I said, this is not an everyday purse for me. This is more of a fun, like, I know it's kind of trendy as well. And it just, you know, when you find something that you just love the look of, I think it's, yeah, it's a no-brainer. And I love this beautiful handle. That's what it looks like from the back. And then it just hooks on this with this little strap, and the strap is adjustable as well. So you have this little metal bubble and you have 5 holes in total. And I have it on the shortest setting, but I could definitely, like the Bambino, I put at the 3rd hole, but I kind of like it with this bag that it kind of sits, I don't know, like right here. I just love the look. I don't know. Right now, I feel like it's kind of like a fanny pack vibe. It's very light. It's really comfortable as well. So that's something I can say right now. I've only worn it like 2 times or 3 times, but I've really liked it. And I've worn it for a day, not only like for the nighttime. So that works for me as well. I just think it goes really well with my colored theme. I wear a lot of neutrals, whites, beiges, grays it works great with. I like khaki a lot, so I have a lot of khaki cardigans and boots and things like that. So I think that will work really, really well. And overall, I just love the look. So I'm really, really pleased with this buy, even though I know I need to be a little more careful, but that's why I'm gonna be linking this and linking the spray that I bought, and let's hope it works. If this video is not edited yet, I will insert a short clip right here when I spray this bag. I think that will work out, so I'll do that. And yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Tell me what you think about like the Jacquemus bags and the Jacquemus trends. I would really like to know. And otherwise, thank you so much for joining me for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!